Dancehall entertainer Ding Dong has dropped another high-energy dance track titled Curfew. The single, released on Tuesday, has been getting positive responses from dancehall lovers. Moments after the song was released, Ding Dong took to Instagram to show his followers how the dance is done, with a demonstration by his Ravers Clavers dance crew members, Potter Skeng and Kid Ravers. Love and hip-hop star Safari also showed his approval for the track after he shared this video jamming to the song online. Curfew follows Ding Dong's track Lie, which was released last week. Labeled the new dancing king, Ding Dong is famous for dance tunes and dances such as Budman Forward, Budman Pull Up, Fling Your Shoulder, and of course Dinner Bunks, among others. Now, Beres Hammond and dancehall artist Popcorn have teased yet another collaboration, this one called A Mother's Love. The track is presented by Shane Brown Music in association with Harmony House Unruly Entertainment. A preview of Mother's Love was shared on Instagram. A Mother's Love will be released tomorrow. Now, this is the second time Popcorn and Beres have joined forces on the track. The two teamed up on the song God Is Love, which was released back in March. That single has gained over 9 million views on YouTube. As the anniversary of 9/11 draws near, legendary New York director Spike Lee shares his thoughts on the events of September 11, 2001 in a new docuseries titled NYC Epicenters 9/11 to 2021 and a half. The docuseries explores the 2001 terrorist attack that resulted in the collapse of the World Trade Center buildings, as Lee questions the happenings of the city's darkest day. The series features over 200 interviews with first responders, politicians, journalists, and celebrities. Now, the 4-part docuseries also has interviews with members of the conspiracy group, architects and engineers for 9/11 Truth. Lee is known for his unorthodox explorations in the films Do the Right Thing and She's Gotta Have It, among others. I'm Daedran reporting for E! Prime.